Hello, 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 you guys. It is your girl Sunshine here with another one. Yes, how are you, my booze? I'm so excited for this video today. I am looking forward to doing this unboxing. I've already opened the other packages clearly. Um, this deck amazing. When I was led to it, I was just like, I have to have it. I don't care. It's called the Muse Oracle deck. Okay, it comes in this lovely little bag thing to hold it, and it has that button close. So I thought that was nice. It does have another box inside. If I can take it out. And look how pretty that is. Okay. I have to say, this person, Vanessa, I guess is who made it. It says she's the CEO. So yeah, Vanessa S, because I don't know how to say her last name. I'm going to put a link in the description below. But she really put a lot of thought into making this, the amount of detail. It's very, very pretty. If you like having pretty decks that come with different pretty things, I definitely would say. And not even that, just even the deck itself, I know is just amazing. When you open it, even more beautiful stuff. It says, I am strong, I am wild, I am love. So like I said, definitely a lot of thought put into this. Great, amazing quality. I definitely will not let anyone touch this deck because it is so freaking pretty. Now it comes with a book, the guide as well. It's thick. It's a hardcover. The added details, once again, you see here on the ends of the book. It has like sparkles. It's gold. I've gone through the book, and the book definitely has a little bit of some inspirations along the way, how to prep your deck, which I really like. That they show you how to cleanse it and clean it, because you never know who's actually touched this before. I forgot I didn't open this part. Before you got it. So I do like that you always have this, and you can use it for your other decks too. Definitely has some different types of spreads and stuff. Um, Very beautiful imagery to show the example of the card. Quite details. Most cards, I want to say, it's about like half a page of details, like little mini paragraphs. Some are bigger paragraphs than others, but um, I honestly absolutely love it in regards to how this person made this. I don't want to show off their whole thing, that's why I'm not showing you. So I'm moving the book so much. This is what the author looks like. This is the Vanessa girl. She has her details there. And then also who did the artwork, this Aaron person. And then some other decks that they have as well that you can get. That's intriguing. This deck is definitely worth buying. Once again, the added just simple but beautiful details. And then this is like I think like a Velcro, I think is what it's called. It's that kind of soft material. So definitely a really good packaging. You see here they have the gold continuation. I like the touch of the gold. The gold is really just like, it's not too much, but it's like simple. It's really nice, and it comes in this packaging, as you can see. I forgot I didn't open this, so give me a second for me to open it. So as you can see, the cards are really pretty. I don't want to show off her whole deck, just in case there's like some sort of copywriting reasons. But it's very, very beautiful. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use this deck. I'm so happy I found it. I literally like put a prayer out because I wanted particular types of decks for certain reasons I'm going to be doing. And lo and behold, the universe led me to this deck. So I'm very excited for it. It comes with 54 cards. They are Oracle cards. You can definitely, use this deck with either reading the book or just going off of what you feel. So I do like the fact of this deck, because some decks you have to read the books to really understand it, but this one you can go both. You can go either or as well. But definitely a beautiful, beautiful book. Definitely a beautiful buy. when it comes to buying decks, I did pay, I want to say, I think it was $90 before taxes. Um, and I got it on Amazon. I don't know if you can get it cheaper anywhere else, or if that's in your budget. Some people don't like paying that much for a deck, but I would definitely say it is worth the buy. You will not feel as if you wasted your money at all. It is definitely a buy, buy, buy. Okay, I can't wait to use this deck. Anyways, guys, that's it. Until next time, it's your girl Sunshine. Deuces.